A common challenge in the life of an AV system is replacing peripheral devices. AMX control systems are often in service for 5, 7 or 10 years, whereas peripheral devices are generally replaced as often as 3 to 5 years. Historically, that's created a challenge. The programming within the AMX system is generally for a specific device or a specific brand of device. With MUSE, we create the ability to simply swap out devices using drivers from within the web page of the MUSE controller. There's no need to locate the source code, no need to reprogram or recompile, no need to locate the programmer who may still have the program running on his laptop. And this fundamentally changes the ability for the life cycle of a system to be managed easily and quickly. So David, take us through this new capability.
So in this demonstration, we've had a technology refresh in the room and we swapped out the existing display for a Philips display. The MUSE controller is programmed to communicate with the Samsung display. So what we're going to do is swap out the module for the Samsung display device with the module for the Philips display device without involving any programming or programmer. All through the web page of the MUSE controller. So on the web page of the MUSE controller, we can see all the devices that are connected. Currently, we only have 2 devices, the touch panel itself and the TV display. This TV display device is using a Samsung driver module. The module is online and running, but it can't communicate with the actual display, which is why on the touch panel, we have a little status indicator saying we're not connected to the TV and the control buttons don't do anything. So what we're going to do is take the configuration of the Samsung display device that allows us to communicate or allowed us to communicate with the Samsung display, such as the IP address. We're going to copy that config info, and then we're going to delete this display device called TV. So MUSE controller is no longer running that module for the Samsung. We're going to recreate that TV device, and we're going to assign it to the Philips module. So in this MUSE controller, we've uploaded 3 different modules from the AMX Develop website, one for NEC, Philips and Samsung. So we'll choose the Philips module, and then we'll configure this Philips module to connect to that IP address, which we've configured the Philips to be the same IP address as the old Samsung display. We'll hit accept, and that module will start running, and it starts communicating with that display device straight away. And so now we have this module, this new Philips display module is online. Now, if we take a look at the touch panel file, which I've got a VNC connection here to the touch panel, you'll see it still says there's no connection to TV. All we need to do, last step, is just restart the program that is communicating with the Philips driver. So this could be your JavaScript, your Python script, whatever language you've written it in. So over in the Programs tab on the web page, I'm going to restart that program. And as soon as I do that, we're already connected to the TV. So now I've got the driver is talking to the Philips display, the program, which is running in JavaScript or Python, is talking to the driver and now has that new connection info. And now I can control the TV. So I can turn the TV off and I can turn it back on.
Fantastic. So this new capability fundamentally reduces the cost, complexity and time required of replacing peripheral devices, removing the requirement for a programmer or the program to be located, and ensuring that a system can be delivered and updated as quickly as it takes to update the hardware.